Namaskar and welcome to my channel. I am Abraham and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a download option for music playlist, and this is the 11th series, the 11th lesson, which is a continuation of my earlier video series where I created online MP3 player. Okay, so my app is opened and I will tap on the sign in Google, and once I tap it will tell me to log in with my name and email ID, and once it is login it is diverted me to this page. Okay, now what we will do, we will tap the YouTube music and then download the second song. When I clicked, it is asking me for a permission to allow the right permission in the storage, so I will allow, and once I allow it will start downloading. Okay, and once it is downloaded it will show me the tick mark. Okay, so let's download the next song. This time it will not ask me for permission because I have already allowed the permission. Okay, once it is downloaded it will show me the tick. Let's go back and then tap the other song. There is category, there is worship song, and then here I will tap on the first song, and then once it is downloaded it will show me tick, and I will also download the third song. Okay, it's downloaded. By default it is downloaded in the download directory. Okay, and then it is sent to our specific directory. Let's go to Android and let's just go to data, and this is our package name, com.abongse.mp3. Okay, go inside and go to file and you will be able to see 4 songs which we downloaded. Okay, so we can also download, we can also delete this. Okay, as of now I won't delete. Let me cross this. Let me also close this app. Okay, everything clear. Now let's reopen the page. I'm in the app. Let's go to our, you can see which we have downloaded earlier. It is still showing us tick. When we come back and when we go to worship, it is still showing us the tick. Okay, which means these are downloaded. So we can delete this by going to menu, and then there is a delete option. Tap on that, and now when you go you will see as it was in the beginning, there is no tick. Okay, so let's remove this completely and let's go to our file directory again. I'm in file manager. Go to Android, go to data, go to our package and go to file, and you won't see any file anymore, so it is deleted completely. So in this video tutorial we will discuss how I have accomplished this task. So let's dive directly into our laptop. Okay, if you have followed me in my videos tutorial regarding the making of online MP3 player, okay, where there are already 10 series and this is the 11th series, you must have seen there is a page with the category and playlist. Okay, 2 pages. But what I did in this screen one, I merged both the pages. Okay, so the user will see 2 pages in one page, but the user will feel that is going to and fro within 2 pages. Okay, so that is the filling which we will give, I'm giving to the user. Okay, say for example this is the category. Now what I did, this category, this one. Okay, see, visible, and then this is the playlist. See, when I do this disable, you can see this playlist. Okay, they are in the same page, but the user will feel that there are in different pages. Okay, um, let me do invisible. So that is how I manage. I did this because I want full control on my player. That is the reason. Okay, now before diving to our download, how I have configured download and how I have done all that stuff, let me let you know that first I went to layout, and then in the playlist I drag this. Okay, for a download option. Let me show you if I can here, and this one let's make invisible. Sorry. what am I doing? I want to do this invisible and this one invisible, sorry, as of now. Okay, this is our playlist. Okay, this is the download, this is the one I dragged. Okay, so note this down if you have not noted. Then what I did, I also grabs sensor here. I mean, yeah, this sensor, this clock timer. Okay, you can see here this one for displaying that for displaying uh, download is done. Okay, the image. Okay, once the download is completed, this lock clock will actually update our playlist, I mean this download list. Okay, and show us there's a tick mark. Okay, that is the reason I did this. And then I also have here extension. Okay, Typhoon file. This is an extension. I got it from Pura Veda. And if you have not seen my videos tutorial on this, in MIT App Inventor audio player, I have showed how I use Typhoon and from where I got it. So if you have not watched that video tutorial, please watch that video tutorial. And then I also grabs the download. Okay, download component. I got it from this connectivity. Go to connectivity and here you should have download. Okay, this is the one. This is download. Because with Firebase I tried a lot but I could not download. Okay, there was some problem, so I used download instead of Firebase download option. And then uh, of course package we need this package as well. Okay, let's go to our block. Now in the beginning, what in my category, this is one of the function what we did at first. When the I mean when the category is clicked. Okay, category, I mean just, you know, the category, there are two categories: worship song and then music, YouTube music. Okay, so when that function is generated, in one of this function I add this. Okay, in the beginning, what it will do, it will add the no download, that is no download option, with no title and with no subtitle. Okay, download picture. Let me collapse this now. Then after that, not here, where is it? So I have tons of, by this time our code has increased and then it's very difficult to manage. Okay, it should be somewhere here. No, this is not the one. Okay, first of all, when the download icon is clicked, okay, it will ask user for the external, I mean storage write permission. So when the permission is allowed here, which I use permission granted. Okay, when it is allowed, okay, based on the category, it will set the download link. Okay, and then we will start to download here. Okay, but if it is already enabled, then we will do the same thing directly from here. Okay, then when the download is progress, we will show the GIF image. Okay, this GIF I just want to show you here. This download progress. Okay, this one. And then when the download is complete, here see, download is complete, we on the timer for displaying that the user that the download is completed. Then here what we do, we show the image that okay download, which is the tick mark. I'll just show you here again. It should be somewhere here, this one. Okay, we show the user and then we also disable the timer. Okay, and then here what we do, by default it will download in the download folder. Okay, or directory. Then what we will do, from there we will move to our specific, I mean application specific directory that has the package, and inside the package there is a file. Okay, so and then we take the name of the, we split the file okay, and then we only take the name of the file with the .mp3, okay, and then store it in this directory, our specific directory. And then what we do at last, we also in the tinydb, with the tag we will give a tag with a category, okay, the category which we have clicked, maybe worship, song, or YouTube music, okay. And then also we add the position of the, I mean, yeah, the position of the song, which is the index, okay, first, second, third. As of now we have only 3 songs, so that position, specific position, if it is the first song, then first position with a slash, okay. And then we store the position, only the position, but the tag we will give with the category plus the position tag, okay. So now what happens when we, let me show you, uh, it should be somewhere here, okay, here, this generate playlist category, this is not the one. Okay, yeah, here we create another procedure, I mean function. You go to this procedure and you can drag one of this. I drag this first one, okay. So I rename it download marker, okay, so that when the next time when the user comes to this song list, it will mark as tick if it is already downloaded, okay. And put category, okay. We take the category, and first of all we will loop the tinydb tags, all the tags we will list. And then after that this we will split it with where there is a forward slash, okay. So in this case it is the category and forward slash and the position, okay, tag name. So we will split it and we will take only the first category, okay. Once we get it, we'll compare this category with the input category, okay. If it is equal, okay, then we call the tinydb. From the tinydb we will get the item, which is the position, okay. And then we will set the position here. See, you can see I have set the position. And then I also change the image, update the image to OK download, which is the tick mark download. So in that way user will see that the download is tick mark, okay. Now one more thing here, okay, how I did the download option, where is it, okay, it should be here, yeah. So see, I have added here in the menu option 3 items, which means this one is added new, delete forever.png, okay. That is for deleting all the downloads and clearing the tinydb. And also I have given the title, okay. So when this item is clicked, when the delete option is clicked, see here, okay, we list the specific application specific directory with, that is a package name, and we search for all files with the mp3 extension, okay. Also we look into the subdirectories if there are subdirectories inside that, okay. And then here once we complete, we list them all the file one by one and delete them. That is how we do delete file name, okay. And then also we clear the tinydb. That way we get all the downloads cleared and deleted. If you have not subscribed to my video tutorial, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon. You will find this a download link for this app in the below description, so you can check yourself and see and play around. Thank you.